big, but I mean his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber, hey cuz, how's it going? So in today's video, I thought since I gave you guys my everyday summer makeup routine, I'd give you guys something more colorful for the summertime. And I feel like this look is Hot Girl Summer approved. So this is what we're gonna call this look today. I did not include my face routine because I was mainly focused on the eyes, and I'll link my face routine down below in the description box. So enough of me rambling, let's get straight into this real hot girl shit. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my James Charles Morphe palette. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to dip into is Escape right here. I'm going to take that on my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to pack that on my lid. I'm going to take Skip on this M506 brush, and I'm going to pack that above where I just placed Escape. I'm going to dip into the Zulu palette and take this orange shade on a Morphe M507, and I'm going to blend that pink out with it. Alright, I'm going to dip back into Skip. So I'm going to dip back into Escape. To deepen that purple just a little bit more, I'm going to go into Spooky here. Just going to tap off the axis. And I'm just going to stay in the crease area. Alright, I'm just going to cut my crease. So for the first color on the lid, I'm going to take Ring Light. Next lid color is going to be this green. So I'm just going to take Escape that's left on this brush and just blend out the outer edge. So I'm just going to line my lid with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Alright, so I went ahead and smoked out my waterline using the black, purple, pink, and orange shades. So for lashes today, I got me some more Country Girl Wink lashes, and they're in the style Texas Tea. Aren't they so cute? Oh my god. So I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, so this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love this. It's so pretty, and it kind of put me in the mind of like Mardi Gras vibes, but yeah, this is cute. So for my lips today, I just used the MAC Chestnut lip liner with the NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss and Sugar Mama, and topped it off with Over the Top by Desi and Katie from their Dose of Colors collection. This hair is just the Trissa Wig from Sensational. I did a video on it. I will link that down below so you can check it out. Of course, this is not the very same one that I reviewed. I did end up getting a new one because I messed up the first one I got by putting heat on it.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Don't be like me, guys. So yeah, of course, if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.